Today we're going to match this gable end with the other side. That's what I got done yesterday. A few other things, but that's the bulk of it right there. There's a lot of cutting into the logs and matching the angles and getting all the joints right. So we're going to do that on the other side today. Just ran that first log. I had to run the drip edge first, but I also had to cut this down to about 2.5, because if you measure up, you want your final course to match that course of logs right there. So adjust your first course down to what you know is going to match when you get up to the top there. And the other thing I got to figure out today is how we're going to cut into these logs here. Well, we know how we're going to cut into them, but it's just going to take some time to get them set in and looking right. That's what burns up all your time here, not running the logs. And it's going to go right up to the roof, and that'll do it. That's going to be the first cut around that door, so you can see it's kind of a pain in the ass to measure it, cut it, and get all that out of there. So we'll see how that one fits. All right, that test piece is in and notched, so I'll take that out. That's what I had to do on that end right there. You can see it. Anyway, I marked the end right there. That's where that one ends. Go down the other end. And I got this one in, just a couple of cuts there. So I got that one marked. Go ahead and move that. My measurement's going to be from that line right there, the end of that test piece, down to that mark there, and then the length of the two test pieces, and you can just match it on the full sheet. So or the full piece. That'll save you a lot of dragging a full sheet up there and trying to get those fit. I got the piece cut to length, about 154 3/4. There's the left end. I'm going to reproduce that down here. And going down to the other end, I'm going to take that end and recut what I got there on this end right here. And that should fit in there nicely. And that's what it'll look like when it's done. So you've got one continuous log, both ends cut to hopefully what fits. So we'll give it a shot here. All right, so I've got this one in. I actually had to take it down twice and just tweak it a little bit, get those two ends in there right. So I'm not gonna get it perfect first time anyway, but that's it. You'd get the logs let in pretty well to the existing logs and up under the overhang there. So that's not a bad seam. All right, got that gable end logged in, and I got the storm door hung. Just didn't get the handle on today. And that's about it.